What's going on YouTube? Keith Moore Jr. here, and today I will be performing an ab workout because one of my goals right now is to get six-pack abs again. So I performed a beginner ab routine today that I will be showing you all shortly. Everyone can try this. I'm starting from the ground up with my ab routines because during my bulk, I fell off with my ab training. I have a bad tendency of doing that when I'm bulking because I'm not really worried about my abs because I tell myself, well, they aren't going to be showing because body fat will be covering it up, so I'm not going to work them. And that's a very bad habit of mine, so now I am paying the price for that. So anybody can perform this ab routine, but it's strictly, well, I shouldn't say strictly because I just said anybody can perform it, but it's really meant for beginners. And I'm going to have a playlist that I'm creating for everyone to see how I progressed with my ab training as I bring in my six-pack abs. So if you are looking to get a six-pack, you can start following along with this playlist and start performing these ab routines that I will be putting out weekly. Now keep in mind, I am also cutting right now, so I'm reducing my body fat, because if I have too much body fat, then it does not matter how much I train my abs, I won't have a six-pack that shows. Now, I do have a six-pack hiding under this fat, but it's probably not how I want it to look since I have not been really working my abs or my core at all. So keep that in mind. You need to reduce the body fat also if you have too much body fat to where your abs won't show regardless. You can't just say, okay, I'm just gonna do a whole bunch of ab training and I'll have a six-pack even though I'm overweight. It doesn't work like that. So like I said, follow along with my progression of the ab training as I work to get six-pack abs again. And I'm going to put the routine I did today on the screen, and I will have the number of sets, reps, and the name of the exercise on the screen for you all to perform at your own leisure. I will be hitting my abs 3 times per week. And like I said before, I will be releasing at least 1 ab video per week, and it will be in the playlist so it's easy to follow along. All right, enough of that. Let's get right into the routine. And if you found this routine helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And also leave a comment below and let me know what's some ab routines that you like to perform, and maybe I can incorporate them in future videos. All right, enjoy.